Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to get Netflix on your Nintendo Switch OLED. So it's very important that you know this at the very start of the video. There is no physical way to have movies fully working on the Switch with Netflix. However, I'll show you how to get on the Netflix site. You'll be able to sign in, however, movies will not work. Very important thing to know that if you think, oh, what's the point of making this tutorial? Well, it's just to save your time. There are other videos which are out there, which you go through the full process, you go on the Netflix site and it's like, oh, movies aren't working. Why is that? It's because we're using a bit of a loophole to get on the internet and that doesn't support HTML5. So what we want to do in order to access Netflix is you just want to go to System Settings. Then I want you to find Internet Settings. And you just want to wait for this to load. And once it's loaded, you just want to find your network. So we'll just tap on this one. Boom. Change settings. And you want to scroll down until you see DNS settings. Set it to manual. And then you see primary DNS. I want you to set it to what you see on screen right here. So just pause the video. Make sure you enter this in correctly. Otherwise, you'll be unable to connect to the internet at all. We'll just tap on OK. Save. OK. And then connect to this network. When you do this, you're going to be asked to do some registration in quotes. And essentially what this is it just lets you go onto Google. So we'll just wait for this to do its thing. It will take a bit of time here. And you can see registration is required. We'll just tap on next. And we should be brought to Google now. So it will take a bit of time to load. Doesn't matter if you're doing this for the first time or the 10th time. At the end of the day, it is loading up a website. What I do find really weird is how they have an internet browser on the Switch and they don't let you use it without using a loophole. I don't know, but you can see, welcome to Switch Brew DNS. We just tap on Google and then we'll just search up for Netflix. So I need to spell Netflix right here. And we'll just tap on Google search. There was an option to enter URL manually, but it's up to you. And so we'll just go to netflix.com. And we should see that, the Netflix website should load up any moment now. And yeah, there you go. Boom, you can see the Netflix page has loaded up successfully. You can sign in and all that good stuff. But again, the important thing to note is you will not be able to play actual movies. Maybe this has changed, but I'm almost certain it's still the case that you are unable to play movies because you don't have HTML5 video support on here. If that ever changes, I guess it's worth a shot. But this is more of like a legacy thing. Oh, look, I got Netflix on my Switch instead of actually, it's working and you're watching movies through it. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if brand new. Check out my playlist on the end screen right now for a bunch of Nintendo Switch tips and tricks. There's something new there that you definitely want to check out. So make sure to check that out right now. If you do not see end screens, check it out in the description down below. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.